Well, hey everybody. Hey, today we're going to do some loco chicken. You ever been to, at least in Arizona, we've got this restaurant, El Pollo Loco, which is a chicken restaurant, and they've got a fantastic grilled chicken. And so I'm going to do a knockoff recipe, and I have no idea what's in the El Pollo Loco chicken, but we're going to kind of fake it till we make it today. So we're going to make a marinade, and in the marinade we're going to use orange juice, pineapple juice, olive oil, some chipotles, some diced chipotles, which chipotle is a smoked jalapeno, kind of and if you go to El Pollo Loco, the chicken has kind of a trademark, kind of a yellowish kind of hue to it. That's why we're using the pineapple and the orange for a kind of citrus marinade. But we're also going to use some turmeric, some Szechuan seasoning, which is like coriander, garlic, paprika, a little bit of cumin in there, and also some of this, also this Goya Szechuan packet. We're going to throw this in there too, because I think this has got some kind of a yellow or yellowish flavor, or yellowish color. So we're going to throw this all in the Vitamix and blend this up. So let's get busy. Okay, so we got our chicken ready. We got our chicken in a vacuum seal marinade box. And there's our marinade. So we're going to get this poured over the chicken. Get the lid on the container, and you see there's a marinade button there, so we're going to hook this up to the vacuum sealer and vacuum seal this shut, put this in the refrigerator and let it sit for at least 24 hours, and tomorrow we'll get this on the grill. Alright, see you in a bit. I'm going to get this vacuum sealed and closed and get it in the fridge. Tomorrow we'll get this on the grill. Alright, peace everybody. Okay, it's the next day and we got our grill on and we got the chicken out here, so we're going to open the vacuum seal and get our chicken on the grill. Alright. Take a look at our chicken that's been marinating overnight, and we're going to get that on the grill. Got the grill set to 325 for kind of more of a slow roast. Ancho chilies, or chipotle chilies, and some oregano. So yeah, this looks like it's gonna work out. All right, folks, let me get the grill shut, and we'll let this machine do its thing. All right. Wow, this is looking good. All right, we'll check back in a little bit. All right, peace, everybody. All right, our chicken's been on for a little while. Let's take a look at it and see how it's doing. Get it turned over. So we've got the grill set to 325. Look at that. Yeah. Look at the color on that chicken. That color is like almost exactly the color that I see at El Pollo Loco. Wow, look at that. Yeah, we're going to get this chicken moved from the... remember how I told you this right side's a little hotter? So we're going to get this moved away from the right side. Let it cook slower on this left side. And yeah, that's looking good. Wow, it smells really good too. So, yeah. ultimately we're looking for something that's going to look like this right here, but it needs to cook a little bit slower, I think, because keep it away from that right side. That's a little bit hotter. And we'll let this chicken do its thing. We'll come back and temp it in a little bit and make sure it's at least, you know, I like legs and thighs closer to 175, 180, I think, than, you know, chicken breast is good about 165, but legs and thighs come out best, you know, closer to 175, 180. So we'll let this cook a little bit more, and then we're gonna turn up the grill and try to get that skin a little bit crispy, or crispier, I guess. So yeah, this is looking good. It's smelling really good. I think this is gonna turn out good, everybody. Hey, so let's give this some time to cook, and we'll come back and check on it. All right. See you in a little bit. Okay, I temped our chicken and it's ready to come off. It came in actually closer to 190, so we're gonna call this done and get these off the grill. But the color looks fantastic. Sorry, the camera's wandering a little bit. The camera's doing its own thing. Next time I try this recipe, I'm going to try it with a whole chicken cut up into 8 pieces. That's what I originally wanted to do, but the grocery store didn't have a whole chicken. They just had either legs, thighs, or breast, and so I went with the chicken legs. But yeah, the color's looking good. Yeah, that looks really good. I think this is going to be good. We'll give you. I'm gonna give this a win. Heck yeah! All right, everybody, peace. There's our basket with our final product in it. The skin looks kind of crispy. Yeah, I think that's going to be all right. So thanks for tuning in. El Pollo Loco knockoff chicken. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and come back every Wednesday and see what we got cooking. So peace, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to go have some lunch. This is looking good. It smells great. All right, peace.